and right 6. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And right 6, then right 6 in okay, then care, latest left 3 plus, and right 4 long, in okay, opens, then left 5, 50 caution, late left 3 over crest, to right 5 over crest, into tight left 3, 80, 80, right 6, left 6 cut okay, long, opens okay, 80, late right 4, and opens slightly in to rightish long over crests, to caution left 4, rightish long over crests, caution left 4, bumpy right 4 plus, and loose right 4, logs in, and opens long, long okay, 100, max left and max crest okay, 90, left 5 baby, cut over crest. Slowing right 5 cut, into left 5 minus, don't. Opens to right 5, continues long over 100 to care right 4, into left 5, right 4, into left 5, tightens to 4, and max right, and stop leftish to turn right 2. 150, max left, to right 6 in, and max crest okay, then right 4 plus, fire, don't. Continues in and nips slightly, then late-ish, left 4, into late-ish, right 3 long, neat in, then slippy, left 4 long, and opens long, long okay, 70.
I feel like I got a puncher there.
You reckon?
Yeah.
70, right 6 over crest, 80 fire, left 4 fast, and keeps tightening slightly long, 80. Slightly long, 80. Left 5 minus a long, and right 6. And max right to max crest, 45, right 3. 45, right 3. And opens in okay. Then max left, continues over 90 to caution, sudden left 4 on crest. Caution, sudden left 4 here. Right 3 long, and max left. Then left 6 in, 80, latish slowing right 5 cut, and left 3 long. Then left 5, into right 5 minus, and crest into right 2 plus. Right 2 plus, 70. Max right long, 60, latish left 4, long, long don't, nips at 80, right 6 maybe,
oh,
left,
baby.
left 5 in, log end, max right, log end, max right, then latish left 6, opens long, long okay, to right 6 over crest, 30, slowing left 5, so right 6 over crest, 30, slowing left 5, and care right 4, 150, turn left 3 in,
150.
turn, yeah, turn left 3 in, that's the first arrow, here she is. So max right long over crest, 30, care left 2 back, left 2 back, and right 6 long in, 100, care, right 3 long, repeat right 3 long, max left, max right, left 5, small cut okay, and max left twice, 80, left 6, tightens at 70, stop, into turn right 1. Max left tightens at 70, stop, into turn right 1. Next arrow, that's it. Then, max left and left 6 long, then right 6, 40 right 6 and left 4 long, tightens to 3 in, to 3 in, 80, latish right 6 okay, and right 5 maybe long in, right 5 maybe long in, 50, right 5 minus in fast, then latish left 4 plus, right 6, continues long long into crest, sudden left 4 plus, to crest, sudden left 4 plus. Right 6 long, blip, to crest long, care, right 5 in to left 5. So to crest long, care, right 5 in to left 5, 60. Right 5 maybe, and right 6, care tightens, 25, left 3. 25, left 3. And right 4 plus in, tightens to left 3 plus over bridge, tightens in, and right 5 minus, and left 3 in.
Yeah, that 4 plus.
Left 3 in, opens over crest, and care into left 5 minus, cut. Left 5 minus cut, and right 5 long in. To left 6 twice.
Oh, that's the one.
Left 6 twice, 150 kink, max right into left 6 maybe, 70, max left and right 6 okay, 100, right 6 over crest and care, slowing right 5 and left 4 plus, slowing right 5 and left 4 plus, and kinks okay, 50, right 5. Repeat right 5 to max left and left 5, cut over crest, and care right 5 minus.
Whoa, yeah, fucker.
Care right 5 minus to left 5 minus, 35, right 4 plus. And continues over 60 past logs to right 4 long. Right 4 long and left 5 minus. Continues over 70 to stop gate, right 3, sudden right 3 long. Oh, sudden right 3 long. Nip. Nip and left 6. That's it.
I did my thing.
Yeah?
I couldn't have done much more than that.
I don't think so.